Hi family, what's up? Welcome back. We're gonna do this ponytail that you guys are digging up on. And I already filmed a tutorial, but the file got corrupted, so it's alright. It's alright. We're gonna try again. We're gonna do it again because I love you guys and you guys wanna know this. So I already put some, I just moisturized my face, came out the shower, I did, I worked out. This is the oil that I have on my face. This is the oil that I have on my face right now. Alright, this is good for your hair, for your skin, okay? This is supposed to be aiding in removing wrinkles, honey. All right, so this is a natural seed oil with a unique molecular structure not found in any other naturally occurring substance. Get into it. So I'm letting that soak into my face a little bit right now, and then I'm gonna put on this water cream moisturizer. I don't know if you guys can see this water cream. If you guys don't know yet, I'm really into skincare. I'm really into skincare, but I don't even have that many products. You see how I took the shine away? You see how that, you see the shine? I'm not getting my eyebrows done until I'm about to go to set and film season 2 of Sisters. I already have an appointment. That's not gonna come up until next month, so I gotta wait for it, all right? I gotta wait for it, but it's gonna be well worth it. I'm just go ahead and slick my hair back. I always leave conditioner in my hair, and the reason why I did this style in the first place is because I wanted something, where I could just soak my hair and get a nice little conditioning treatment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slick back my hair. I'll show you what I'm using, y'all. I'm using Edge Wax and Crystal Clear Gel you can get from your beauty supply store. This detangling brush comb thing is amazing. I suggest you find one somewhere. Pull a little hair out. Now I don't know if I'm gonna get the edges like I got them the other day. Okay, that was pretty damn perfect. That was hard. It was hard. Honestly, I was struggling trying to do these edges, man. But anyway, I used the water-based gel for this edge loop magic situation that I'm attempting over here. You just got to play around with it. But the more product you put on your finger, the better, because you can hold it into place. And using hairspray and a hair dryer will dry it up and make it hold faster. Okay, so yeah, you gotta figure it out, girl. I can't tell you how to do this. You gotta figure this out on your own. Okay, you just gotta keep playing around with it, because honestly I'm struggling right now to show you guys this, but I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, so I'm just doing it again on this side, same thing, and both sides are never gonna come out perfect in my opinion. However, we can try. We can try our absolute best, but I just wanted to show you guys. And I sped it up, of course, but it took me some time. It takes you a couple of minutes to do it. And as the day goes on, it does have a tendency to dry up. So y'all just let me know which products will make it last all day. Okay, we got the edges, we got the hair. Okay, so now this is why you came. You came for the braid. This is the hair that I use. It looks like this. The other hair you're going to see me using is old hair, but it's the only ones I have left. I'm going to use some of the new hair and the old hair together because it won't matter. But this is the hair. It's Bahama Curl. I'll link it down in the bio so you guys can see what kind of hair it is. This is probably like the 3rd time I'm going to put it in. So you're going to take it and do the same like you would with braiding hair. You would elongate it as long as you want it. So boom. And then just keep adjusting this hair until it kind of gets a little bit more like you can be able to manage it and braid it. So, boom. Alright, boom. It's gonna get a little naughty, but it's fine. It's gonna work out. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on my ponytail now. I'm going to add in this hair too. You can make it as thick or as, slim as you want, but I'm going to start with this hair and then add in this hair. Even though I used this hair for the picture that you guys saw, but because this is older, I want to just add a little bit more. So boom, this is the hair. You take it and you go like this on top of your hair. And I leave my hair out, so just part it into 3 pieces like you would a braid. And the faster you do it, the better, obviously, because when your hair is wet, you can braid it in a little bit easier. See, boom, I'm pulling, boom. And now this part, this hair right here, I'm gonna have to add in a little bit of the fake hair to elongate it. Boom. Flip it around. And then just keep braiding. The good thing about this hair is that it doesn't have to be perfect, and I know that some of you will perfect it and want to make it look all neat and stuff, but I don't care for it to look super duper neat, honestly. Boom. And I'm going to fix this in the back in a second. Adjust everything. Oh, maybe I don't need the other hair. Shoot, I'm going to save this hair for another hairstyle, matter of fact. I don't have to use it. Okay, braid it. See how it's coming together? You see that? That's so cute. This is this is my favorite hair. And I use this to actually do knotless box braid. I'm gonna put a picture in so you guys can see what it looks like. Fire, you know. You could do it as thick or as slim as you want it. Even I did my ombre box braids with the same hair. And yeah, my hair just came out really cute. It came out a little bit wavy instead of it going straight down. It got stuck, so I just cut it a little bit because I was like hurting my hands. Y'all know what I'm talking about. People who braid their hair know what I'm talking about. So yeah, just keep braiding it down. Keep braiding it. It looks super. I like this though. It's cute because it looks twisted up low key. Boom. This hair is good for so much stuff. Ponytail, braids, twists, the passion twist. This is my favorite hair. So the back of my hair, I'm just going to adjust this. And I think I feel this one here poking out. So you could just kind of smush the hair in. Woo! Came out cute. Bam. And this right here, you can kind of pull this down. Pull your hair inside down. So boom. And I know it's sticking up right there, so I'm gonna put on a bandana. And this, so if you want to, you could pull out a bunch of these and let those kind of hang down, you know? Yes, okay, I'm just gonna fix the end. And I kind of shear it down. Listen, this is cute or whatever. This is cute. Whew, y'all, that hurt. You tie that shit so tight. Oh my God, because you know you want everything to lay down. Okay, it came out cute though. Here we are. Here we are, okay. Let me see the ends. Let me see the ends. Oh yeah, I think I forgot one last step. The last step, I usually just pull it apart a little bit. I pull it apart a little bit to give it even more of a full look. Gotta get some body oil, okay? Some body oil right here. Just take this, put it on your collarbone. Rub it in. Ooh. You know, gotta look hydrated, sis. Glowy. Put some on your arms too. I mean, we can't just, you know, stop at the shoulders. How's it gonna look all hydrated and then dry? Hydrated and then dry. So boom. You sis, you see me? Be hydrated, okay? Listen. Let's go out to the sun. Get some light. Ew. It's done. This is the final look, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about this cute ponytail right here. If you try it out, you better tag your girl. If you have advice, you better let me know in the comments. If you have a better way of doing it, I need to see it, okay? I need to see it, because I already know y'all gonna kill it. I already know y'all are going to kill this look. So I need the tags, because I know somebody's gonna pop out with an ombre. I know somebody's gonna pop out with a rainbow, with the bejewels, or all the way down to the floor, or a thickums, or a slimums. I know y'all won't. I already know. I feel it in my toes. So I really want you guys to tag me when you do this look, because I got to see how you guys recreated this and put your own flair, uniqueness, and beauty into this hairstyle. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. You see how you see it. You know, it just looking real like it come out her head or whatever. What? I think somebody on my picture thought this was my real hair, and I was like, got him. Got him. That was the point, sis. The point is for it to look real. We like to create an illusion, okay? We like to create a vibe, a story. I'm too hyped. So pull up. I want to see this look on you, baby girl, and let me know how it went. And I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, sis? I'ma see. I'ma see. You know what I'm saying? I gotta bring her back out on a red carpet when the world opens up again.